Hello! Let's talk clean makeup products. So, if you've been following me for a while, you know I've been on this whole clean beauty journey for the last 6 months, and what really changed it for me was going through radiation. Even though going through chemo, my skin changed so much, and I thought I was using really great products, but I was never really looking at ingredients. I just kind of thought that I was using products that worked for me, and that's great, and I think that everyone should do that. But then I got to radiation, and I started talking with more doctors and internal medicine doctors and all these different people who were telling me to not use certain products on my skin during radiation because it could really irritate my skin. So then I got a little worried, and I was like, okay, well maybe I should go home and look at all of my skincare products, and I did. So that kind of set me on this whole clean journey, and I really started researching, and I've really become mildly obsessed with it, but not too obsessed where when I meet someone I'm like, oh my gosh, what kind of beauty products are you using? Not like that. For me, I became obsessed with it, and we can go ahead and blame that on cancer, but I really feel so much better using the products that I do, and I feel like my skin looks a lot better even though it's been through so much. So one of the questions that I get asked all the time is where to start as far as switching clean beauty products. You know, when you walk into your bathroom and you see all the products and all of the money that you've spent on products, and then you think you're just going to throw those things out, it gets a little overwhelming. So my best advice is, if you want to switch to clean beauty products, start with the things you already have. So if you are using a certain cleanser, use that up and then find an alternative, obviously, for that, instead of rebuying whatever you're using. So that's what I did. I started with skincare first, slowly switching stuff. And makeup was so hard. I love makeup. I love playing with makeup. Even though I don't wear a ton of makeup, I still just like trying new products and everything. I am not a makeup artist by any means, so I kind of just do what works for me, but I still love makeup. So that was hard to switch. But if you're thinking about switching, I have a little kit for you today. So Follain, which this was my go-to when I first started switching. I went to their site and I ordered products from there because they've already vetted all the products for you. So there's nothing on the site that isn't considered clean or fits into the natural, non-toxic, whatever the category is, they've already done the legwork for you. And so all of the very harmful ingredients are already taken out of the products. So those products aren't on there. So today, let's start with this kit. And you can get this kit online. And I love it. And it's filled with some of my favorite products. So the first one that I really love is this beetroot cheek and lip tint. So, double duty here. You can put it on your cheeks. And I know it's going to look crazy at first, but just trust me here. So you just put it on, and I use my finger. I mean, you can use a beauty blender if you want, just depending on, what you're comfortable with. And the great thing about this product is that it's buildable. So if you put some on and you're just kind of like, oh, I need more color or whatnot, you just add more on there. I love that it just gives a really subtle, natural color to your cheeks instead of being super overwhelming. So this one's great. The next thing that you get is the RMS Beauty. This one is the Living Luminizer, and this is the best. This is the best highlighter. I go a little crazy with this, and I swear I just put it everywhere, but why not? So I put it right on top of my cheekbones. I mean, look at that. Come on now. And then on the other side, I also do a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Could you hear me when I said that? Cupid's bow? I also am super nasally today. I blame having 4 kids in school. It's like you're just in a perpetual state of a cold. I feel like I will never not have a sore throat or be nasally, but whatever. So then I like to put some just on my nose, and then I do right on my brow bone, just to kind of highlight right underneath my eyebrows. So that's this one. I love this product so much. And I love that you get a full size in beauty, the little beauty kit. Okay, next, this is my favorite clean mascara. It's by Well People. So you get like a sample size of it, but still, it gets the job done. This one is so good. And if you've watched a makeup video of mine before, you know I'm the messiest person ever when it comes to putting on mascara. I just can't seem to get it right, so I get it all over. Don't judge me. And then, okay, so I really love that this one is included in there. And then to finish everything off, you can go back in with the lip tint, or the cheek and lip tint. Put some on again. Okay, and then the last thing that's included in the kit is the Ursa Major Essential Face Wipe. I love these wipes. I've ordered so many packs of these. They are the best wipes because they're just so big. Like, it's a huge wipe. So really gets in there. You can wipe everything off and takes off all your makeup and everything and just really prepares your skin for that next step of cleansing. Each of these products is really great on their own, so I'm so happy that they're all combined and put into the Clean Beauty Kit. This is a great way to kind of get you started in clean beauty, and it's a good jumping off point because I know that's how I felt when I first started switching, was like, what do I try first? I feel like these are a pretty good base to just an all natural makeup look, so highly recommend that you try them out, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.